blowing off?
And what happened today?
I was in a restroom, and suddenly I heard a loud sound, and I didn't know what it was, and I never heard sound like before. First I thought an earthquake, then I said, earthquake doesn't sound like this. And I came outside, and actually I didn't even clean myself up yet. And I saw a lot of light, and I didn't know what, I was startled, a shock, I didn't know what to make out of it. Then I see all my stuff on the floor, and I see the roof is part of the roof, excuse me, the roof is gone, and that's where the light was there. So I was still startled, I didn't know what to do. And then I came outside, probably I would say 2-3 minutes or something like that. When I came outside, I saw a lot of people outside already, and I said 2 guys are coming out from where it happened, I guess, came out, and they're bleeding, and they look like they're pretty scared and frantic, but they're running around and things like that. And that's all I know.